Hi everyone. Have you ever filled a login form or sign up on a website? Name, email, password. All of this is done using HTML form. So today let's learn HTML forms step by step in very simple words. So an HTML form is a used to collect user data. Whenever a website asks you your name, your email or your password, that is a that is an a, that is an HTML form. Form is just a politely way of asking questions. So let's create a form. So it's for creating a form, we have a form tag. This tells the browser, hey, I am creating a form, and right now it's empty, so nothing will show. If I'll save this, the browser nothing will show. So the step two, add a label. I'll add name in label. So label tells the user what is this field is for. It's like an instruction. So step three, we will add input field, and type will be text. So input is where the user types, and type text means normal text input. So label is, you can think like label is a question and input is an answer box. So we will add an email field and the password field also. So I'll just copy these things and name it email, and the type will be email. Why type email? Because browser checks is this a valid email or not. Now the second thing is, third thing is password. So the label will be password and the type will be password. Because password is hidden text and because passwords are secret. And finally we will add the button to submit form. So button sends the form. Without button, form feels incomplete. So forms without button is like door without handle. So I'll save this file. So I save this file. You can see in the browser you just created your first form. So HTML form only collects the data. To actually data sends or save data, we need backend or JavaScript. We will learn that later. So HTML forms ask question and backend listen to answer. Forms are used for you can think like forms are used for login, sign up, contact us, feedback, and search. So that's HTML forms. In the next video we will learn different input types like checkbox, radio, and date. Keep learning, keep growing. Thanks for watching.